edge is not going to replace cloud. Edge will complement cloud. We'll see more and more talk of the terminology edge cloud or hybrid cloud. And so all of these activities that we talked about with respect to, say, for instance, an industrial environment, these are going to actually follow back, and they'll still require bigger data centers. So we continue to see large investments. In Australia alone, we're currently probably running between 400 and 500 megawatts of data center in this country. Planned over the next 2 to 3 to 4 years is another 1,000 megawatts of data center. Of course, a lot of that is cloud and is cloud-driven, hyperscale and co-location, primarily hyperscale. How do we plan for that? If you're doubling the size or trebling the size of an existing market, the requirements that are needed to make sure that we can deliver and manage those that deployment has to be taken into consideration. And we're not alone. I mean, this is just little old Australia. If you look around the rest of the world, we're seeing huge growth in that whole area. So edge will complement that. Again, statistics that we're given on that is that some people think that edge will be the same size, or the amount of data that's in edge will be the same as in core. So the big data centers over the next 5 to 10 years. And if that's the case, we're going to be pretty busy.